Here's the headline. Unless ICE has a judicial warrant signed by a judge, I don't have to let them into my home or any private area. I lead with the warrant because that's the whole ballgame. An ICE administrative warrant is not enough. It's usually signed by an ICE supervisor, not a judge. If agents show up, I can ask through the door. Do you have a judicial warrant signed by a judge? Slip it under the door. I don't open the door to ask that question. No trespassing signs help set the boundary. They make it clear this is private property, but the sign itself doesn't invite ICE in, and it doesn't give them new powers. Without my consent or a judge-signed warrant, they generally can't enter private areas like my home, or the curtilage immediately around it. I don't have to consent. I can say, I do not consent to entry. If they don't have the right paperwork, that's it. Quick constitutional anchor. The Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. Even with broad immigration authority, ICE is still bound by that rule. Exceptions exist, like true emergencies or if I clearly consent, but the default is warrant or no entry. What if someone is detained? Due process still applies. People in ICE custody are supposed to get notice, a chance to see a judge, and access to counsel. Family can search the online detainee locator system to find them. Ask for the person's full name, date of birth, and country of birth. A note on citizens. ICE enforces civil immigration law against non-citizens. They do not have authority to arrest or detain U.S. citizens for immigration violations. If a citizen is mistakenly detained, that's a serious legal issue. If things go wrong, there are paths to accountability. Wrongful detention claims under the Federal Tort Claims Act. This lets people sue the U.S. for certain harms caused by federal employees' negligence or wrongful acts. Constitutional claims for rights violations, like an unlawful home entry or an unreasonable seizure. Historically, people used Bivens-style lawsuits against individual officers, but recent Supreme Court cases have narrowed that path. It's harder now, not impossible. Talk to a lawyer fast. Systemic cases have targeted unlawful arrests, unconstitutional detention conditions, interference with attorney access. Documentation matters. Dates, names, badge numbers, videos, and witnesses. If ICE knocks, I keep it simple. Don't open the door. Ask for a judge-signed warrant. State, I do not consent, and stay calm. I have rights, and those rights don't vanish at my doorstep. Stay safe, know the script, and share it with someone who might need it.